For tonight's dinner, we are having tuna melts, which happens to be Ron's favorite, and he could probably eat these every night if I made them. Okay, so I started off with 2 cans of tuna packed in water, 3/4 cup of celery, 1/4 cup of dill relish. If you'd like to go with sweet relish, by all means do. Salt, pepper, and then I added 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Adjust the mayonnaise to how you like it. I really like to use Best Foods mayonnaise. If you're back east, Hellman's. Okay, so I'm here in the Roadtrek Simplicity and working on my 2-burner stove, and I'm getting ready to make some French fries to go along with the tuna melts. Okay, so the French fries are going. I just put some salt and pepper on them, some Mrs. Dash, a little garlic powder. I'm cooking them in olive oil. You could even add some paprika if you like. Whatever seasonings. French fries are French fries. Anyway, they should go really nice with the tuna melts. Okay, just a reminder, anytime that you're cooking in your Roadtrek Simplicity, be sure to have on that fantastic fan. And looking at mine right now, it looks like I've got to clean that screen again. But you always want to have really good ventilation. I do like leaving the door open as well. And turn on some music and just enjoy cooking in this little beast. Okay, so now I'm going to assemble my tuna melts. My buns are topped with the Thousand Island dressing. I'm going to add my tuna and a slice of American cheese. I'm going to wrap these up in foil, and then I'm going to put them in my pan to cook. Okay, so now we're going to make our Thousand Island dressing that's going to go on the buns of the tuna melt. I use about 1.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a couple of teaspoons of ketchup. You could add a little salt and pepper and whip that up, and basically that's it. This recipe that I'm using for these tuna melts is basically a knockoff of the way Disneyland in Anaheim, California used to make them when they first opened over in Fantasyland. It's a really nice memory that my husband used to have, and we looked up that recipe on the internet, and basically this is it. And it's really, really tasty. Okay, so my little tuna melts are all assembled, wrapped in foil, and my French fries are just about done, so I will put those aside, and I'm going to start cooking up my tuna melts. Okay, now usually tuna melts are placed in the oven at about 350 degrees for about 15-20 minutes until heated through and the cheese is melted. But since we do not have an oven in our Roadtrek Simplicity, I'm going to use my saute pan. I'm placing my tuna melts in the pan, covering them up, and putting them on a very, very low flame. Probably about 5-6 minutes on each side. Possibly a little bit longer, just as long as everything heats through thoroughly, and then you can enjoy. I'm going to give you a quick tip. If you'd like to heat up a slice of pizza, place it in your saute pan, put the cover on it and place it on a low flame, and you can heat up your pizza until it's nice and hot and bubbly. The nice thing is you're going to get a nice crispy crust also. It comes out so much better than the microwave.